5, 7,
Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat.
Report ka lang ano sa panahon.
Oh, yan. Pakita mo yung panahon. Ano yung kasi camera eh. Sayang yung
Original kaya?
sayang yung film.
Sayang yung mic.
Original kaya? Siguro.
Ano?
Hello,
ba?
hello. Naririnig mo ba ako dyan?
1.5.
Kahit ganito lang kahina yung sinasabi ko.
Uy,
Napapakinggan mo ba? Naririnig mo kaya? Tingnan natin kung ganito kalakas yung mic mo.
What?
Marinig kaya yun?
Hindi ko rin alam eh. Who is the national hero of the Philippines?
Clue. Anong masasabi mo dong sa panahon natin ngayon?
Yan po ay nararanasan natin na medyo mabigat na pag-ulan. Medyo ito ay daraan lamang at magiging manaka-naka at pararandaan lang ang ulan hanggang alas mga 10 to 15 minutes mawawala na yung ulan na yan.
Paano pag di pa nawala?
Ito po ay tamang rainfall forecast lamang at magtotohanin.
ang parang sarap pala mag-interview eh, no?
Oo, pero
Hi guys, I want to go to the store but it's raining. And because I want to eat ice cream and there's two here at Country Waffle. And it's raining. And they have umbrellas so they won't get wet and I'm wearing my outfit today.
What's the name of the store you want to visit?
Matcha Place. It's Uji-san. There's Hokkaido ice cream and coffee, matcha, everything. And you can eat there with your friends. I don't think that I can visit that because it's too rainy. And I'm here with my friend and with Grogu. Grogu's still eating. Hey guys, I bought my new stuff. I bought my glasses, my markers, and everything. But we're done eating, guys, and we're about to go there, but it's still raining. Bye. Okay, thank you.
So, ang tindi ng baha kahapon. Di na ako nag-vlog. Pero grabe yung baha kahapon. Mas malala pa yung baha kahapon compared dun sa na stranded kami ni Violet. So, ang na-stranded this time ay ang ganyan daddy. Yung baha dito sa village namin. Hanggang dibdib. Ang tindi. Pumasok pa nga actually si Violet kahapon. Kasi late na nag-suspend. Nasa school na sila. Tapos, nung time na sinundo ko siya, may tubig-tubig na talaga sa village. Hindi naman kami lumabas, so hindi kami na-stranded. Ang na-stranded, ang daddy niya kasi pumasok sa office.
Lucid dreaming, losing what you love. You're so enlightened that you forgot. All we need is someone else to hold. You found another place to float away, rising higher from the ground you claim. Wish that we could talk the same. About the things we love. About the things we love. About the things we.
Ito yung mga pinrint ko na ginupit namin. Ito yung mga favorite niya. Edamame, ramen, milk, mango, yogurt. Yan, mga yan. Mga favorite niya.